This 2016 Audi TT 2.0T is a very desirable white exterior and superb black leather interior. Factory equipped with an impressive 2-liter 4-cylinder TFSI engine and 6-speed automatic S-tronic transmission. The TT produces an impressive 23 miles per gallon city and 30 on the highway. The iconic styling is immediately recognizable, but Audi thought they'd take its design a step further. The TT features Audi's striking LED daytime running lights that not only help others see you, but add in a beautiful design element as well. It's just another way Audi is trying to put you in a good light. A few of the TT's valuable features include the S-Line exterior package, Bose sound system with 12 speakers, and Bluetooth wireless technology preparation for mobile phone. Desirable installed features include leather seats. In addition to this TT, we have 2 others like it in stock at Audi Woodland Hills, located at 21301 Ventura Boulevard, Woodland Hills, California.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.